welcome to Sapa River Trekking Tour. All of our guides, they are knowledgeable, and our guide will take you to this amazing, beautiful rice field here. The tour is start around 9 a.m. from Sapa. You will walk from Sapa to Ilinghu, Lao Chai, and Tavan Village for the one-day tour. And the two-day tour, you will do the same, and then stay overnight in Tavan Village. Then the next day, you will walk from Tavan to Zantachai, then lunch there. Before lunch, then the car will pick up you back to return to Sapa town. So now I am in Lao Chai village. During our tour, if you want to see the most beautiful rice field, you can ask our local guide take you walking through the rice field more than instead of walking on the road more. You can ask our local guide take you to trekking through the rice field on the little path like this. And if you are coming in Sapa during like the summertime, then if you are really wish to go for a swim, then you can ask our local guide. Then our guide will take you go for a swim in the river. So usually if you go for a swim, you will walk all the way from Sapa to Ilinghu village. Then you will see this kind of rice field beautiful like this. After the lunch, then our guide will take you go for a swim. But you have to ask if you want to go for a swim or not. Then our guide will take you go for a swim. Because if you don't ask them, then they don't know if you like. After the lunch, our guide will take you go to the river. So here where you will across to the river, then you will go swimming at the river here. During winter time, it's our dry season and the water is very cold, so you will not be able to swim in winter time. So this is one of the most beautiful river in Lao Chai village with the fresh water. This water which is running from the mountain, and the local people only using like irrigation go through the rice field. This house, the water are so clean which is running from the mountains. And when you are diving from the river, then you see this bubble water and the rocks really clean and fresh from the river. You see the water which is like bubbled and very clean and fresh. But sometimes there are some fish here, but you will not see the fish. When the weather is very heavy raining, then the local people in the village will go through this river here and try to catch some fish from the river too. This is one of the fun part when you are in the river. Feel your feet and then using your hand splashed out the water. Really nice and cool. If you are feeling really hot in the sand, then you can be in the shade in here. Here have the shade which is really cool and nice in the river.